Let's see, you want to go outside? Let's see, you want to go outside? Let's see. Let's see. You want to go outside? Well, she's not making noises anymore, but she was like annoying and wanting to go outside. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Okay. You too, Elvis? You want to go outside? Okay. If I can unlock the door. Here we go. Yay! It's cold out there. Yay. Very good dogs. Good morning, everyone. Plane. Okay, it's gone now. But yeah. Good morning. It's Vlogmas day. What day is it? 10? 9? Put the actual day here. But I'm starting off my morning doing a little photo shoot with my dolly because I made her a cute little Christmas outfit. So I'm gonna take some photos of her and Elvis, come here. Hello. You see him? Izzy, you coming over too? Hello. Hello. Aww. Okay, I'm gonna take my photos, and then the plan for today is I have school. I only have one class today, so that's good. I can come home. I'm gonna try and bake cupcakes. Let's try. Also, I need to finish a little art project for my art class. I'm making a giant Christmas light, so I need to figure that out. And then I have work. Yeah. So yeah, I'll try and keep you updated like I do every day. But yeah, let's do this. And if you're curious, this is how I take most of my photo shoots. Because the dogs are always around. Elvis, come here. No, what are you doing? Yeah. Oh, looking good. One more picture. There we go. That's enough. That all is looking good. Yeah. Hello again, everyone. I just got done with my first class of the day, which is my only class of the day. So I'm gonna go home now. What's the plan? Go home. Gonna bake cupcakes. And while the cupcakes are baking, I'm gonna finish my art project, the big light bulb, like the big Christmas light. And then I'm gonna finish the root pack video. At least the sculpting portion, because I just walked to the bench and I'm out of shape. So I'm gonna finish the root pack video. I'm gonna try to, at least, depending on how bad my battery is that I need to charge. I charged it before I left. I put it on the charging mat before I left, so it should be done by now. So yeah, I'll see you later. Cupcakes are in the oven. Can you focus? There they are. You can't really see. But I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna do a little time lapse of my little project I'm gonna work on. And yeah, we're gonna do that. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but let's go. Okay, I just took the cupcakes out of the oven. I don't know why I'm laying down now, but like, whatever. I just made some slime. Ew. I know slime is kind of not trendy anymore and it's not cool, but come on, it's slime. I love slime. But like, yeah, I just made some. And yeah. What else to do? Oh, I can finish my root pack video if you didn't. Oh, I forgot to show you. It's gonna be a Christmas light. That's like the top of it. Ugh, so stuck to my hands now. Yeah. But yeah. Probably gonna finish my root pack video before I go to work. Because I need to go to work in a few hours. And yeah. I'll try and update you. Yeah. Okay, I just got home from work. I'm eating dinner, some chili and stuff. I would show you, but it kind of looks gross. I'll show you. It's right there. Yeah, kind of gross, but like, yeah. It tastes good. But yeah. I'm sorry I did not leave you off earlier. In hindsight, I'm not doing anything else today except studying and doing boring things. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you off here. It was a good Vlogmas day 8. We did a lot, actually filmed for once. So yeah. Yeah, if you like this, leave a like. I don't know. Yeah, subscribe to Sparkles. Check out my last video and click there for a video YouTube thinks you'll like. That was weird. But yeah. Goodbye.